Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to make a quick video on GameStop because I know it's been kind of squeezing from like 12 bucks to where it is now, and it hit a high of like 17.24. I just want to give you guys a really good heads up on what, I don't want to say what I think can happen. I don't know what can actually happen, but there's only two things that are going to happen right now, right? Any break of this upside, like if you actually get some sort of candle closure above this channel high, right? You see how it's rejecting off that channel, right? That's because it's a really good indication of some really good resistance there, right? So if you manage to close any kind of like really like bullish candle above here, your next stop is 22. You're going straight to 22 bucks, right? Is that going to happen? I have no fucking idea. But as of right now, I would definitely, if you're in GameStop at all, right? At any point you're in GameStop right now, you 100% should take fucking profit right now, because this shit can 100% go down, fill that gap at 13 bucks, possibly go lower to 12. And that's me just telling you guys to be fucking smart about this, right? Like if you rode this all the way up, get the fuck out, because you can definitely come down to $12 again, or at least 13 bucks, right, to fill that gap. Or, right, I wouldn't long this unless you have like a full, maybe like an hour candle, right, at minimum, right? At minimum, you have to have maybe like an hour candle close, a bullish candle up here, right, to long this to 22 bucks. Can it get to 21.50? 100%. I think can get to $22. But I think from where we are now, it's really a 50-50. This shit either keeps fucking mooning to 22 bucks, or we sink and we drop back down to $12 or fill that 13.50 gap. Who knows? We'll see. But this shit's fucking squeezing. Place your fucking bets. I highly recommend, right? Obviously not financial advice, but if you are in any kind of GameStop long right now, highly recommend you take profit now. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.